I've actually eaten at that restaurant up there before. It's really high. But when I was a teenager, I ate at a restaurant up there with my parents. And it was funny. We all got like the most cheapest dish we could get because going up there was really expensive anyway. You know, like a touristy kind of story. Speaking of which, I haven't even eaten at all today and I'm hungry. So, yeah. But a lot here has changed in Toronto over the past more than 10 years. There's just so many skyscrapers now that I see. Those weren't really there the last time. And besides this CN Tower being the main attraction, it's just, I don't know, Toronto's just kind of boomed. You know what I mean? People taking pictures of the Canada sign. I guess we should do the same thing as tourists. But yeah. Up there, it's just kind of like this rotating disc or rotating restaurant that just, when you go up there. And I don't know if it's still the same, but I know I'm not going to be going there today. I've got a different agenda, even though I'm back in Toronto. I like Toronto. It's a pretty place. But a lot of it has really changed though. A lot has changed. I'm not sure if it changed for the better or changed to make things a little worse, but hey man, it's change. Alright, I think I'm gonna go eat some breakfast now.